guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys, and if you need to replace crankshaft position sensor or find out where the crankshaft position sensor is located, stay with us, we'll explain that on a 2.4 GDI engine, but many engines actually use that location in design. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, if you need to buy a new crankshaft position sensor, parts, tools for amazing price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said, let's check out what we have here. 2.4 GDI engine. When you open the hood guys, okay, you can see that Hyundai Sonata, that's right here. We removed the engine because we'll be rebuilding it. In the meantime, we decided to make a few videos because many of you asked us about that crankshaft position sensor, and we'll be making a video about every possible part on that engine as well. So you will need to come on the back side of the engine. Usually here, okay, you will have the exhaust manifold. The exhaust manifold is removed, but you can remove the crankshaft position sensor without removing the exhaust manifold. Okay, this is the back side of the engine towards the windshield, you can see. Now, with the exhaust manifold removed, we can show with a great detail, otherwise it's impossible. And if you look at that metal plate shield right here, that's actually guys the one, okay, for the hiding the crankshaft position sensor from all the heat. Right here there is one clip, okay, that touches right here, okay, that with the clip removal too you need to remove it. Then on top right here, that's the connector, okay, for the crankshaft position sensor. Pull it out. Now right here you press down, okay, right there you press down, and okay, you disconnect it. Perfect. Now let's explain how to remove it. Now I'm going to zoom in from here so you can see 10mm socket guys, okay, and we're going to remove the two bolts for that metal shield, metal plate. Okay, perfect. Once you do that, the crankshaft position sensor is located right there, as you can see. Now if you want to see how to test crankshaft position sensor, we have the video on the channel. All we have to do, remove now 10mm bolt with 10mm socket, and you may turn it a little bit, it may be stuck. Why? Because you actually have an O-ring that prevents oil from leaking out. And this one guys, right here, that's your crankshaft position sensor, that's the O-ring that gets stuck. If you want to see how to test crankshaft position sensor, we have video on the channel, it will teach you how to do that. If you want to know the symptoms of bad crankshaft position sensor, video will be on the channel as well. Now for any of you that need help with Hyundai Sonata or anything on Hyundai Sonata, drop a comment below. That's how we get ideas about our videos to you guys. So we'll try to make a video if we have time so we can teach you how to do things. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.